To my right, Mr. Goodell, can you please state your name for judge since Sheriff Goodell? Your Honor, I have two things for you. I have a green sheet and a bond filing. For
Yeah, you can get that up to me at some point.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're asking for an adjournment.
Yes, please, Your Honor. I'm going to start the negotiation process. I just got the discovery, the media discovery yesterday, so it's about done.
Why hasn't he gone over to community correction?
Your Honor, I've talked to him about that. And him and his mother, he's had transportation issues. That is not going to happen anymore. He understands.
I know that.
Because I let him know how serious these matters are, that this court is not one to play around with. And he knows that he could potentially be incarcerated for not drug and alcohol testing. Something like this, it can be fixed and it will be fixed. If you just allow, he will test today, Your Honor.
Gonna test clean
Sure.
for everything?
Yeah, yes, sir. Even marijuana. Your Honor, 1 second, Your Honor, please.
Well, May 12th, the last street meeting was Washington.
Last time I did it was Washington Saturday. Your Honor, to be candid with you, to be
Really?
honest with you, of course.
So what changed that?
Just,
Oh, go ahead. I'm listening.
you gotta be honest and upfront with you, Your Honor.
Really?
I know how it is. Yes, yeah.
Oh, that's the problem.
Marijuana traces might appear, but he knows.
Marijuana traces might appear. What's that mean?
He used marijuana a few weeks ago. I don't know if it's in there or not, but just letting you know, just being honest with you. And he knows he'll
So he got out of jail. He's not supposed to be using any drugs. Does he have a medical marijuana card?
no, but he will not use anymore. I didn't use it like the day before. It was before, Your Honor.
Pardon?
It was before he used marijuana before he got arrested. I didn't use it after. And we can track the level. He's gonna comply. I know he will.
I don't know that you can make that representation that you know that he will, because he's not thus far.
I have faith.
Okay.
Yes.
May. All right, record should reflect we had a bench conference in this. And I'll just put it this way, there is, while this might seem minor on this case, defendant is also on, and I'm not going to go into detail, but he's on probationary status at the time of this offense. Part of that probation includes that he should not be using drugs, should not be using anything, shouldn't have been using marijuana at that time. So what I will do is give counsel time to check into that and his potential violation of that probation. I'll adjourn this out 1 week to April 30th, 2026, 9 a.m. At this time, the defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant's remanded. I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading to an added count 2 of use of cocaine, the 1-year offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There is a sentence agreement to credit for time served and fines and costs. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Correct, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Right then. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Sir, Bushline. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of cocaine. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that? You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th. Okay. Yes, understand that? Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty? Yes, sir. To that charge, how do you plead? Guilty. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind? Yes, sir. Signed an advice of rights form or had one signed on your behalf, is that correct, sir? Any question regarding any of those rights? No. Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
no, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Sir.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes, sir.
September 22nd, 2026, at the location of 100 South 4th Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Did you have cocaine in your possession? Had you used it?
Yes, sir.
Did you know what you were using was cocaine? All right. Sir, I do have to advise you that if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in court rules, that would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that, sir? Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
People are satisfied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be May 8th, 2026, 8:30 before Judge Perry. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Play.
Your name, please.
Your name, sir?
Come on, Bashir. Arrest. Ask the court to please set these for exam. Discovery is complete.
Did the people have their witnesses available? We're on the 5th, correct? Would you have their witnesses available the 5th?
Go one additional week, these are rather old cases, and given the length of time that's passed since then, I likely will need to see a new officer charged for these matters. I was just saying,
Is there going to be any objection to that?
Yes, and I would just leave it to the court and note the cases are old.
All right. You good? All right. We're tough around here. Anna tripped you. No, I think so too. I'm gonna file charges. All right, you want? Is he in custody on anything else? And the people want the additional time because of the age of the case. Gotta get new.
that's correct. 1 7 years old, 1 6 years old. Reason that they are so old to get.
Noting the objection, but also noting that the defendant. That the reason that people have to do what they are doing is because of the defendant's failure to appear. I will give that additional week. I will set these for preliminary examination. Discovery being complete. I'll set it for May 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. on both cases. All right, bond will continue.
Which judge is that?
Oh, before Judge, I'm sorry. Before Judge Washington. Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Darius Cadell.
You're on reading cook for the people.
Mr. Maples is approaching. Would you please state your name for the record, sir?
Jason Gary Maples.
Your Honor, this morning we have been able to finalize a resolution for a plea agreement in this matter, which would allow Mr. Maples to continue in the felony recovery treatment court. We just got the information moments ago that it would be that the plea agreement we are negotiating is appropriate. So we're asking for an adjournment in order to formalize it in writing. There is also a stipulated order for Mr. Maples to be released.
All of that correct?
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment for ongoing negotiations. You have a green sheet.
2 weeks.
Yes, please.
Oh, you just find that. All right, probable cause conference will be adjourned May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Mr. Workman, state your name for the record, please.
William Workman.
Judge, you're asking for an adjournment.
Oh, that was Mr. Whitman?
I did.
What? No, did you?
He was sitting there like,
No, did
no,
you?
that was him.
That was him.
I did, Judge. Yes, I did.
Then like,
That was you.
just turned around, she stared at him like, I hope it's you.
I turned around like, get up here. Yes.
All right, but
Yes. Judge, we made contact with him today. We have reviewed some things with him, but obviously we need a little bit more time.
okay.
Did you give him your number?
May 14, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. sir.
I'll write it down for you. Okay.
For cause case, people versus